Putting stroke teacher training aid is a very simple, user-friendly device. It attaches to the handle of the putter in seconds, as so. First you place the flat portion of the training aid on top of your putter handle. You position one Velcro strap near the bottom and a second strap near the top of the putter handle to secure the training aid in position like this. Then you simply slide one training rod into the hole at the top of the flat portion. Slide the other one in the other side. They're snug and it's ready to adjust.